Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy new feature in Gmail that allows you to mark conversations as unread on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. This will open up the chat section of Gmail. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Direct Messages and click on it. This will display all your recent conversations. Next, find the conversation you want to mark as unread. Hover your mouse over that conversation, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appear on the right side. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. Finally, from the menu that pops up, click on Mark as Unread. And just like that, your conversation is now marked as unread, making it easy to revisit later. That's all there is to it. This new feature is perfect for keeping track of important chats without losing your place. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.